Here's a complete, step-by-step roadmap to becoming a backend developer in 2025. So, let's get started. 1. Start with the fundamentals of the web. What to learn? What is the Internet? HTTP, HTTPS, a global network that connects computers and devices, allowing them to share information. What is a client-server model? A client-server model is a way computers communicate. The client, like your browser, requests data or services. The server, like a website's backend, responds with the requested data. 2. Learn a backend programming language. Hammer and wrench popular choices: JavaScript, Node.js, Python, Flask or Django, Java, Spring Boot, PHP, Go, Ruby. Learn variables, functions, loops, conditionals, object-oriented programming, OOP, error handling, file handling. 3. Build with a framework. Wrench choose based on your language: JavaScript, Node.js, Python, Django, Flask, Java, Spring Boot, PHP, Ruby, Ruby on Rails. Practice. Create routes like users, login, products. 4. Learn databases, SQL and NoSQL. What to learn? SQL databases: MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, NoSQL databases, MongoDB, document-based, basic CRUD operations, transactions and asset properties. Practice. Connect your API to a database and save user input. 5. Authentication and authorization. What to learn? Authentication vs authorization: JWT, JSON, web tokens, OAuth, third-party authentication, sessions and cookies. 6. Build and consume REST APIs. What to learn? REST principles, HTTP method, status codes, Postman, to test your API. Practice. Return proper errors for invalid requests or missing data. 7. Use Git and GitHub. Practice. Push your API project to GitHub and update regularly. 8. Testing your code. What to learn? Unit testing, Jest, Mocha, ptest, integration testing, API testing with Postman or Insomnia. Practice. Write tests for your routes and database functions. 10. Deployment and hosting. What to learn? Hosting platforms: Heroku, Render, Vercel for easy cloud hosting, AWS, DigitalOcean, Google Cloud for more control. Containers. Learn the basics of Docker for creating portable, isolated environments, CI/CD. Learn about continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD, pipelines with tools like GitHub Actions, Jenkins, and Travis CI. Practice. Deploy your API and test it with a live frontend or Postman. 9. Security best practices. Security is a top priority in backend development. What to learn? Input validation encryption, HTTPS. 10. Learn system design basics, advanced. What to learn? 1. Load balancing. 2. Caching, Redis, Memcached. 3. Rate limiting. 4. Messages queues. 5. Microservices architecture. 11. Keep learning plus build projects. Ideas for practice: blog system. Build a blog with user authentication and CRUD operations. Task manager. Create a REST API for a to-do list app with user management. Chat application. Implement WebSockets for real-time communication. E-commerce system. Build the backend for an online store with a cart and payment system. Final tips. 1. Build real-world projects. 2. Contribute to open source. 3. Learn DevOps basics if you want bonus points in interviews. 4. Keep your GitHub active and your portfolio clean. 12. Continue learning and growing. Backend development is a continuously evolving field. Stay updated with the latest technologies. Topics to explore further: microservices, serverless architectures, message queues, RabbitMQ, Kafka, GraphQL, event-driven systems. Follow for more such amazing roadmaps and knowledge. If you are job ready, then connect with me on LinkedIn and Instagram to get referral in MNCs and in reputed company. Check the description box for more information and connect with me. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you.